Hi everybody, welcome back. I finally have the paper I need to start on the Book of Shadows. It's going to be a combination of a prop replica type situation as well as me adding in my own pages of my things I've found out maybe about the lunar cycle, ghost hunters and paranormal experts that I follow on YouTube and things like that, and just my own pages and stuff. So I have A2 paper where there's 50 sheets in each of these, and when you fold that over you get 4 pages. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to fold all of these, and then I need to stain them all with tea. So I'll start folding them, and hopefully, pardon me, on a sunny day, although it is autumn and it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, I'll be able to tea stain them and put them out on the clothesline and all their airing racks to get them all done. Okay, everything is folded down and separated out. The next step is staining everything with tea bags. I will show you the first time I do this, but it's going to be multiple runs over multiple days. So we'll go to tea staining, and then I'll see you when all the pages are done. Now I'll leave these to dry for about 40-45 minutes until they're most of the way touch dry, and then I'll come in with the heat gun and dry them the rest of the way, and that gives it that nice old crinkly effect. Okay, so our paper is touch dry but still a bit soft, so we're going to take ye old heat gun and crinkle it up and make it dry and give it a more crinkled and aged look. We've got a much more aged and dry piece of paper. Now let's finish the rest of this batch. Here's all of my pages dry. Now I have to straighten them up along the fold line and form them into signatures. Right, now that we've got all of our pages done, all of our signatures folded, we now need to mark the spine and stitch it together. So we have our stitching points marked. I've got an inch in from both the top and the bottom, and the inch gaps will go in and out like that, and it will all link together. And now it's time to stitch. And now we have all of our 10 signatures, our entire text block stitched together. Now the spine needs gluing and reinforcing, because this on its own isn't going to hold up to anything. Alright, our spine is fully enforced. We've got a layer of muslin, ribbon, got the headers. These will protect the tips of the pages. Then another layer of muslin, and this is going to dry for between upwards of 24 hours. And once this is dry, we can glue on the end pages and then separately glue up the cover. Okay, so it's the next day. Here's our text block. It's nice and hard. The muslin's not coming off. The headers are stuck nice and firm. It opens beautifully, just like the real book. It even turns its own pages. The ribbons function nicely without tearing pages. Now the next thing to work on is the end pages. Okay, so the end pages, I've already gone ahead and stuck 2 pieces of A3 paper together because I didn't have a thick enough piece of A2. I've painted them with Prussian blue. I'm going to draw a diagram, an artistic diagram of the lunar cycle on it. And so at end page, when you open up a book, it sits here, so you have that coloured piece before your actual book starts. So I've got one for the front and another for the back. So I'm going to go ahead and draw on these, and then I will show you what I've got. Okay, here I have my end pages. I have both of them right here. The next thing to do is to attach them to the text block. Okay, now my end pages are glued in, and I will go in and trim this along here after everything is dry. I have already pre-cut my false fake leather and I've marked out where everything goes. So let's glue. Okay, so while we wait for the cover to dry, let's go ahead and add in some of the pages that I've already done. is my book of shadows. It is in no way complete. I still have hundreds of pages to do, to add. All of my pages are hand painted in watercolors. They're written out in calligraphy pen. I've still got so much more to do, but I'm really proud of the work that I have done. I'm very excited that I have something to share with my sisters and my daughters. I figured out that I am the second of 3 daughters, like my mother is the second of 3 daughters, like Willow is the second of 3 daughters. So that's kind of cool, and maybe grasping at straws, but the power of 3 and whatnot. I'm really proud of this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. All you can do to please our algorithm overlords. Thumbs up or thumbs down, don't care. You do you. And we'll see you in another video.